If you are guilty of overpacking whenever you travel, this video is for you. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Sabrina and I do content about travel and lifestyle. And I have been sharing my alopecia diagnosis on this channel for the past 2 years. So consider hitting the subscription button and the notification bell for when I upload videos, which is normally every Sunday. The last time I went to New York for 3 days, I bought a full-size check-on luggage. JetBlue charged me $70 for the round trip. This is ridiculous. It's a waste of money. So I decided to change my habit from overpacking. First, we need to address why do we overpack in the first place. For me, I dress by mood. I like having option and I love clothes. Once you find out what's the reason that you overpack, then you can adjust your mindset. So for me, I dress by mood, shift in mindset. I'm telling myself, your mood is going to be whatever is in this luggage. Pick a mood and keep it moving. So I am packing for a trip to Puerto Vallarta for 3 days. I'm going to Puerto Vallarta for 3 days with my girl, Rossi. What's up, Rossi? I'm going to send her this video because I told her that on this trip, I'm going to use it to program my brain from overpacking, and I will be carrying a carry-on luggage for the 3 days. And she was very curious on how I'm going to do it, and I told her I'm going to make a video about it. So here I have laid out everything that I will be packing in my carry-on luggage. And let me list what I'm packing in this luggage. 6 dresses. 3 for the daytime, 3 for the nighttime, 3 bathing suit with 3 cover up, 1 pajama set with the matching robe. Yep, with the matching robe. 1 jumpsuit, 12 pair of underwear, 1 pair of shorts, 2 t-shirt, 1 tank top, 2 pair of pants, 1 pair of tights, 2 what I call dressy tops, 1 chunky wedge platform looking heels, 1 dressy sandals, and 1 sandal for the beach, heels to dress up, sandals for every day and excursion. And of course, I'll be wearing a like a sneakers or a loafer. I haven't decided what I'm going to wear, but I'm going to be wearing to the airport a nice comfy shoes. To get this to work, I'm using packing cubes. Packing cubes are awesome. You can stuff a lot of clothes in them. You can see me doing it here. Here is my luggage carry-on. I know what you're saying. Where's the toiletry? I got you. Check this out. So cute. This luggage set is so cute. I really love it. It came with this toiletry thingamajig. I have no idea what the proper name for it is. So I'm calling it, this is the toiletry makeup bag that goes with this carry-on luggage. So this is where I put all my toiletry, all my miniature size bottles with liquids. Write in the comment section and tell me, how bad is your overpacking habits? Are you trying to change it? I'm patting myself on the back here. I am very proud of myself. This is a huge deal. I am the queen for overpacking. So this is a really big deal for me. And I feel so smart. And I have changed my mindset moving forward with overpacking. Write in the comment section and let me know, how bad is your overpacking? And if it's something that you're struggling with, and something that you're trying to change. The last time I was in Mexico, I went with my sister and I did a review on the resort where we stayed. Check this video out. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.